Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching the videos. This is so much fun. But as y'all can see from the title, we have a filled weekend, okay? I have a few things in mind, but as of right now, today is Thursday and we are heading to the Braxtons premiere screening. Keith is walking in the house because he just did a podcast, but I'm about to do my makeup and yeah, let's get started because we need to get out of here in at least, I would say, about 30 minutes. So yeah. Okay y'all, so we just got to the premiere. The premiere is about to start, but they got some hors d'oeuvres. They got some crab cakes, crispy chicken lollipop, grilled cheese bites, beef sliders, corn griddle cake, caprese skewers, beef arancini, and vegan empanadas. Okay, so we just took like a little cute picture and I'm about to go ahead and go sit down.
Tomorrow, you tweet about it, you put it on Instagram, you put it on TikTok, and let your friends know to tune in at 9:30 p.m. tomorrow night on WeTV. And if they miss it, Trina and makeup. Toni's here.
So we just got in the house and we are winding down. We did just see the premiere of the Braxtons Family Values. I don't know what season this is for them, honestly. I've never really watched the show, but I told myself I'm going to start to actually get into more reality TV so that I can start doing more reviews on the Sheek TV page. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later because I'm going to sleep tonight.